The Art of Public Speaking by Dale Carnegie and Joseph Berg Esenwein. Appendix B, 30 Themes for Speeches, with source references for material. 1. Kinship, a foundation stone of civilization. The State, Woodrow Wilson. 2. Initiative and referendum. The Popular Initiative and Referendum, O.M. Barnes. 3. Reciprocity with Canada. Article in Independent 53, 2874. Article in North American Review 178, 205. 4. Is Mankind Progressing? Book of same title, M. M. Ballou. 5. Moses, the Peerless Leader. Lecture by John Lord in Beacon, Lights of History. Note, this set of books contains a vast store of material for speeches. 6. The Spoils System. Sermon by the Reverend Dr. Henry Van Dyke, reported in the New York Tribune, February 25, 1895. 7. The Negro in Business. Part 3. Annual Report of the Secretary of Internal Affairs, Pennsylvania, 1912. 8. Immigration and Degradation. Americans or Aliens? Howard B. Groves. 9. What is the theater doing for America? The Drama Today, Charlton Andrews. 10. Superstition. Curiosities of Popular Custom, William S. Walsh. 11. The Problem of Old Age. Old Age Deferred, Arnold Lorand. 12. Who is the Tramp? Article in Century, 2841. 13. Two Men Inside. Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, R. L. Stevenson. 14. The Overthrow of Poverty. The Panacea for Poverty, Madison Peters. 15. Morals and Manners. A Christian's Habits, Robert E. Speer. 16. Jew and Christian. Jesus the Jew, Harold Weinstock. 17. Education and the Moving Picture. Article by J. Berg Esenwein in The Theatre of Science, Robert Grau. 18. Books as Food. Books and Reading, R. C. Cage and Alfred Harcourt. 19. What is a Novel? The Technique of the Novel, Charles F. Home. 20. Modern Fiction and Modern Life. Article in Lippincott's, October 1907. 21. Our Problem in Mexico. The Real Mexico, Hamilton Fyfe. 22. The Joy of Receiving. Article in Woman's Home Companion, December 1914. 23. Physical Training versus College Athletics. Article in Literary Digest, November 28, 1914. 24. Cheer Up. The Science of Happiness, Jean Finot. 25. The Square Peg in the Round Hole. The Job, the Man and the Boss, Catherine Blackford and Arthur Newcomb. 26. The Decay of Acting. Article in Current Opinion, November 1914. 27. The Young Man and the Church. A Young Man's Religion, N. McGee Waters. 28. Inheriting Success. Article in Current Opinion, November 1914. 29. The Indian in Oklahoma. Article in Literary Digest, November 28, 1914. 30. Hate and the Nation. Article in Literary Digest, November 14, 1914. End of section 33.